Most people think that planning a Vietnam trip is easy. Book a flight, apply for a visa, and you're ready to go. But once you land, that's when the surprises begin. Vietnam is one of the fastest growing travel destinations for Indians and international travelers. It has breathtaking landscapes, delicious food, beautiful beaches, affordable luxury, and one of the best coffee culture in the world. But many travelers arrive in Vietnam without knowing some very basic things, and some small mistakes end up costing them money, wasting time, and making their trip stressful. So before you pack your bags, here are 25 things that you should know before visiting Vietnam. These tips will help you travel smarter, save money, and enjoy a much smoother trip from day one. Some of these will save you money, some will save from tourist scams, and some will completely change how you plan your trip. So let's get started. Number 1 is Vietnam is bigger than most of the people think. And that's the biggest mistake first time visitors make. They try to see the entire country in 1 week. Vietnam stretches over 1600 kilometers from north to south. Traveling between cities isn't like driving from Mumbai to Pune. For example, Hanoi and Da Nang takes over 13 hours by train, and Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City is almost 2 hours flight. By road, it takes about 30 hours. If you only have 5 to 7 days, focus either on the North Vietnam or on Central Vietnam instead of trying to cover everything at once. Quality always beats the quantity. Number 2 is decide which part of Vietnam matches your travel style. Vietnam offers very different experiences depending upon where you go. North Vietnam is all about mountains, rice terraces, limestone landscapes, caves, trekking, and cultural experiences. Perfect if you enjoy nature and adventure. Central Vietnam offers beaches, heritage town like Hoi An, Da Nang, Marble Mountains, and some of country's best food. South Vietnam is faster paced with Ho Chi Minh City, Mekong Delta, nightlife, shopping, and historical museum. If you are visiting for the first time, many travelers find North plus Central Vietnam to be the best perfect combination. Number 3. Don't visit during the wrong season. One thing many people don't realize is that Vietnam doesn't have one weather pattern. The weather changes dramatically between the north, central, and south. For example, while Hanoi may be cool and pleasant, Da Nang could be raining heavily. Meanwhile, Ho Chi Minh City could be hot and humid. So always check weather city by city instead of searching Vietnam weather. Generally, March to April is considered one of the best time to visit most part of the country. September can be great for North Vietnam but is often rainy around Da Nang and Hoi An. You can find the detailed breakdown of Vietnam weather in our Vietnam full travel guide. I'll add the link in the description below. Number 4. Visa rules are simple but check before booking. Vietnam has made travel easier for many nationalities. For Indians, an e-visa is usually the easiest option. Always apply through an official government website. Double check all the documents like your passport validity, entry dates, number of entries, airport of arrival. Even a small mistake can create issues during immigration. Next is cash is king. Although cards are accepted in malls, hotels, many local restaurants, cafes, taxis, markets, and small shops still prefer cash. So always carry Vietnamese dong. Don't rely completely on international cards. ATMs are available almost everywhere, but it's useful to have cash ready from day to day. Next is Vietnam currency has a lot of zeros. This surprises almost every tourist. 1 million Vietnamese dong sounds like a fortune, but it's only a few thousand Indian rupees. Because of the extra zeros, it's easy to accidentally hand over the wrong note. Before paying, take an extra few seconds to read the amount carefully and you'll quickly get used to it. Moving on, download Grab before landing. Forget negotiating with taxi drivers. Grab is Vietnam's version of Uber. You can book cars, bikes, and even use it for food delivery. Prices are transparent, no bargaining, no confusion, and it helps to avoid taxi scams around airports. Number 8. Crossing the roads looks impossible, but there's a trick. If you have seen videos of Vietnam traffic, you will know exactly what we are talking about. Thousands of scooters seems to come from every direction, and the secret is walking slow and steadily. Don't suddenly stop or run. The scooter riders predict your movement and drive around you. After one day, you'll be crossing the road like a local. Number 9. SIM cards are cheap and worth buying. Airport SIM cards are available immediately after arrival. Popular providers are like Waytel, Vinaphone, Mobifone, and internet speeds are excellent. Having mobile data makes everything easier. Maps, Grab, translation, payment, restaurant reviews, everything is sorted. Number 10. Google Translate will become your best friend. English is spoken in tourist areas, but once you visit local markets or smaller towns, communication becomes difficult. Download Vietnamese offline language before your trip. Even translating menu items become incredibly useful. Number 11. Learn few Vietnamese words. You don't need to be fluent, but knowing a few words make locals smile. Learn some basics like hello, thank you, excuse me, yes, no. Simple efforts often result in friendlier interactions. Number 12. Vietnam is surprisingly affordable. Luxury hotels that cost over 10,000 in many countries can often be found at half that price, and street food here is inexpensive. Coffee costs very little, domestic flights are affordable, even premium experiences like cruises and spa are much cheaper than many neighboring countries. Number 13. Street food is amazing, but choose busy places. One of the highlights of Vietnam is its street food. Pho, banh mi, fresh spring rolls, bun cha, seafood, everything is amazing. The safest rule: eat where locals are eating. Busy stalls usually mean fresher ingredients. Avoid places where food has been sitting out for long periods. Number 14. Coffee culture is next level. Vietnam is the world's second largest coffee producer, and you will quickly understand why. Don't leave without trying egg coffee, salt coffee, coconut coffee, Vietnamese iced coffee. Every city has beautiful cafes, many of them are destinations themselves. Moving on to the next point. Bargaining depends on where you shop. In shopping malls, prices are fixed, but in local markets, negotiation is expected. Don't aggressively bargain, smile, be polite, and a friendly conversation often gets a better price than arguing. Number 16. Be careful with pickpockets in crowded areas. Vietnam is generally very safe. Violent crime against tourists is rare. However, crowded markets and tourist streets can have pickpockets. Keep phone secure, bag zipped, wallet in front pocket. Simple precautions are enough. Number 17. Watch out for phone snatching. This is more common than many travelers expect. Motorbikes sometimes grab phones from distracted tourists. Avoid standing near roads while holding your phone out for selfies or video calls, especially in busy cities. Number 18. Respect temples and local culture. Vietnam has beautiful pagodas and temples, so dress modestly, remove hats when required, keep your voices low, and photography may not always be allowed inside. Respecting local customs always create better travel experience. Number 19. Don't overpack. Vietnam has everything. Forgot sunscreen, you will find it. Need toiletries? Easy. Need clothes? Shopping is everywhere. So pack light because you'll probably shop during your trip. Moving on to the 20th point, which is domestic flights save huge amount of time. If you are traveling between distant cities, flying is usually worth it. Budget airlines make domestic travel inexpensive. This allows you to spend more time exploring instead of sitting on buses. On 21, don't skip smaller places. Many tourists only visit Hanoi, Da Nang, Ho Chi Minh, but places like Ninh Bình, Ha Giang, Sapa, Phong Nha and Cat Ba Island often becomes people's favorite memories. Sometimes the hidden gems are highlight of the trip. Next is expect different toilets. Most tourist places have western toilets, however some local restaurants or roadside stops may still have Scott toilets. Carry tissues, some public washrooms may not provide toilet paper. On number 23, tipping isn't mandatory. Unlike some countries, tipping isn't compulsory here. Hotels and restaurants may include service charges. If someone gives exceptional service, a small tip is always appreciated. Number 24, book popular attractions early. If you are planning Halong Bay cruise, Bana Hills, fancy pan cable car, luxury trains, overnight cruises, book it in advance. Weekend bookings fill very quickly. Booking a few days early often gives better prices and availabilities. Last on my list is the most important thing: slow down and enjoy Vietnam. Vietnam isn't a country to rush. Spend time in cafes, walk around lakes, watch trains pass in Hanoi, take evening strolls in Hoi An, sit by the beach in Da Nang, talk to the locals. Some of the best memories happen when you're not following an itinerary. Before ending this video, let me give you some quick bonus tips. Carry a universal adapter, keep small currency notes with you, drink only bottled water, wear comfortable walking shoes, download offline Google Maps, keep passport copies on your phone, book travel insurance, try local food at least once every day, wake up early to avoid the crowds. That's a wrap from this video. Vietnam is one of those countries that surprises almost everyone. You may visit for scenery, but you'll remember the people, the food, the coffee, the peaceful countryside, and the unforgettable experiences that make you want to come back again. If you're planning a trip to Vietnam, let us know in the comments which city you are most excited to visit. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other Vietnam travel guides covering itineraries, visa, budget, hidden gems, and detailed city guide. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Until then, happy wandering.